Hey, welcome here. I'm not in any way a tech reviewer, but I just feel like since I'm into tech, some stuff that I'm going to be doing, I need to also share with my people. This is like my main video on YouTube. I don't know, because usually the dynamic of my content is supposed to be this way. I'm supposed to be more of the business content creator, where I show you how to make money, how to grow, but I feel like that's kind of serious. So let's just go over to, having fun, and as we learn to, right? So we grow together as we also have fun. So I just bought this watch. It's kind of it's a cheap watch, but I just really like it. So I'm going to be reviewing it and show you like how it works. So the first thing you're going to be noticing is, let me show you, this is the box, right? So it comes in this box. I like the way this box unveils the watch to you. I like the packaging, really. Oraimo is really doing well with packaging. The packaging is clean. I love it. Then inside you're gonna have this was where the watch was sitting, and you're gonna have all these accessories, and over here you have the charger, right, which I'm gonna try to show you now. Then okay, let me show you the charger, and I'm gonna show you the manual. So inside the box you have the manual, the charger, and the watch itself. There's the charger right here. So you have, for the charger, you have this. Let me try to adjust the zoom so you can see it well. Yep, you have the charger. See what it looks like, right? So I'm gonna keep it in zoom so that I can show you what it looks like. So this is gonna come in this. It's magnetic, right? So another thing I need to show you is what it looks like inside the watch. So immediately you buy the watch, usually it comes with a very dead battery, right? Then under here you see there's a light blinking over here. There's a light that usually blink over here, right? So this is where the sensors are to check your blood and everything. Then over here you see it has all this detail. You can change the font on your phone, this font on your phone, which I'm going to show you how to change this font on your phone. And going to the pricing, this watch basically costed me it cost about $30 or so, yeah, to buy it, or less than that, because I bought it on promo. I bought it for about 20-something thousand, but I later found out that they gave me on promo, that's not the original price. The original price like around 50,000. I don't know, maybe Oraimo will try to clarify that. So if immediately you get this watch, if you turn it on, if it's not connected to a phone, which usually is not, if it's new, it's not going to be connected to any phone, it's going to ask you to download the Oraimo Health app, which you're going to see over here, right? So let me show you what it looks like. There's the Health app right here. So I'm going to open it, and if you open the Health app, it's going to show you where you can connect the phone, the watch, yeah, where it's going to ask you to pair, right? So I'm just going to click on the pair, and you see it's gonna tell you to scan, right? So that's how it works. So another thing that I love about it is the fact that it has step counters, right? See some of my details right here. It's gonna ask you to input your details over here. You can check the what's it called? You can check the battery percentage from the phone. And another thing is, let me show you over here. You can change what the fonts look like. You can change it from here, right? You can change it from here. You can change it to whatever you want. So if you're changing it, ensure that your phone is close to the watch, so it could change. So you'll see it starts syncing. Yeah, it has changed already. You see, it changed to what I changed it to over here. So that's how it is. So if you're planning to go for the Oraimo Watch 3 Lite, this is the watch 3 Lite. Yeah, this is the watch. If you're planning to go for the watch 3 Lite, I advise you go for it. I love it. It worked. Yeah, it works. It's been taking my blood pressure and everything, so I don't really need to go to the hospital and all that again. I love it. The watch is sweet. I love it. If I'm gonna be upgrading from this, I'm gonna be upgrading to something like the Apple Watch, right? So till I see you in my next video, where we'll be learning how to make money, right? And stay blessed, right? Stay blessed.